Hi, welcome to today's One Take Bicycle Reviews, and today we're reviewing this rather wonderful Hercules Commuter. So this is from 1981. So let's have a look. Okay, so the frame set. So it's a steel frame set made using lugs. It has very clean lines. It has steel mud guard, steel chain guard, steel rear mud guard as well. Frame set is in this gorgeous green colour. Bear in mind that this bike is 43 years old. Oh, gimbal really went crazy then. Okay, so frame set wise, you get steel frame set. Components. So you get steel brakes, chrome steel handlebars, chrome steel stem. You get a chrome bell. You get chrome 26-inch wheels with rally record tyres. You get 3-speed. You get caliper brakes, and you get a plastic Brooks saddle, which is really rare. Okay, so the build, let's have a look. They don't make them like they used to. The wheels are still perfectly true. It's difficult to see. That wheel seems to be bang in the centre. This wheel's bang in the centre. There's no overspill on the lugs. It's really well made. Really well made bicycle. The look. I think it looks amazing for its age. A real understated, classy look. Value for money. Okay, so I've seen these go for 400-500 quid. If you can get one in half decent condition, I think they're really good value for money. I mean, this one's 43 years old and it's still riding perfectly. You could do a lot worse. You could do a lot worse. Would I buy one? Yeah, definitely. I think these are really good, well designed, well thought out, practical bikes. Well, thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying our content, and we'll see you in the next one.